And then let's get back to that talus. That talus is articulating in the front with the navicular. The navicular is articulating with these three bones called the cuneiform, right? Cuneiform bones, and they're going to be articulating as well as the cuboid with the metatarsals, right? The metatarsals are connected with the phalanges, and how many phalanges do we have in each toe? Three. How many do we have in the big toe?
2.
What's the big toe's name?
Hallux.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yes.
So let's take a look at some bones, because you will want to be able to identify the bones, because when you come in, there are going to be bones set up around the lab. The questions will be something like identify the bone and list all the articulations. Don't bother asking me how many articulations are there for this bone. I'm not going to tell you. I'm just going to say list all the articulations. So you want to know all the articulations. If you have to, cheat and look at the skeleton. The skeleton's going to be in the room. All right, so figure that out if you have to. But so you'll list all the articulations, which mean proximal and distal articulations. In some cases, I might even ask you to specify distal or proximal articulation, or list them that way. So get used to saying that term. So what bone is this?
Femur.
Femur, right. If you have a broken hip, are you breaking this or your coxal bone? You're breaking the femur, right? And you have a break here. You can take this out. Is there a lot of muscle attachment on the neck here? No. So you can just cut this off right here, put a metal spike in there, and hammer it in. You got a little titanium thing, slips right into the acetabulum, right? Okay. So then, what are these things called? We got three different answers. Medial, lateral, epicondyles. Okay, I'll take that. What's this called? Scapula. What's this thing called? Acromion, right? And what's this thing called then? What is it? Cora what? Coronoid or coracoid? Which one is it?
Coronoid.
Coronoid? Okay. Coracoid? Okay, we'll take coracoid. Alright. Okay, so then what's this?
Patella. Sesamoid.
What's this?
Clavicle.
Clavicle. It has two prominent markings, one near the
Manubrium.
the medial or lateral end of it. Which one is, what are these two prominent markings? Which one is located proximal to the manubrium? What's the name of that bone marking?
The sternal end?
Yeah. No, what's the name of the bone marking? All right. Let's make sure we look them up and share them with people when you find them. All right. What's this bone called? Talus. Talus is articulating in the front with the navicular. Navicular is articulating with the cuboid. Articulating with the metatarsals and the
phalanges.
Right. The talus articulating in back with the
Calcaneus.
Calcaneus forward with the cuboid and forward with the metatarsals. Assuming you have a normal arch, when you are standing, the weight of your body is being distributed to the ground through which bones?
Calcaneus and the tarsals.
The calcaneus, the
phalanges,
metatarsals, and the phalanges. Right. What's this? Sacrum and the coccyx, right? What are these? Carpals, these?
metacarpals, phalanges.
What bone is this? Humerus. How could you tell? It's got these the trochlea and the fossas on these two ends, right? So which fossa is which? Can you tell? Make sure you touch it. Make sure you can. All right, before you leave. All right, then what bone is this? Coxal bone. Which what are the three components of it again? The
ilium, ischium, and the pubis.
And the three of them come together and form the
acetabulum.
Right. What nerve is going to be flowing through here? Ever gets a little numb when you're sitting? Yeah, sciatic. Which one is this?
The break.
Is it the radius? The fibula, right? It's the fibula. What's it articulating with? On the what's it articulating with distally?
The
Distally with the talus, right? And the
Yeah.
proximally, and also with the tibia.
oh
with,
yeah, the tibia.
and then over here with the yeah.
Patella bone.
Right, with yeah, that tendon for the patella is really coming over here into the tibia, but we can see it's a clear articulation with the tibia, right? Okay. Which one is this? The ulna. How could you tell?
Because of the opening.
Yeah, because it's got that claw, right?
C.
That hinge, and again, this process back here is the
Capitulum.
no, the olecranon, right? The olecranon's that elbow. If you touch your olecranon and then you touch the medial